Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Buick Encore key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2032 coin cell battery. It's important to work on a clean, well-lit surface to avoid misplacing any small components. This simple process can save you a trip to the dealership and get your key fob working like new in just a few minutes. Let's get started with the first step. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom of the fob. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver slightly to pry open the two halves of the key fob case. Be careful not to use too much force, as you could damage the plastic. The case should separate with a soft click, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or a picture of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This ensures you install the new one correctly. Now, gently pry out the old CR 2032 coin cell battery. Take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the holder, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the case, making sure all the buttons and internal components are in their correct positions. Press the halves together firmly until you hear them click securely into place. Before you head out, test all the key fob's functions like locking, unlocking, and the panic button to ensure everything is working perfectly. Also, check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals. You've successfully changed your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.